Welcome back to my channel. Well, creating professionally looking PowerPoint presentations can be a time consuming task. You could be a student who is working on his project or an IT professional who wants to demo the progress. You need PowerPoint presentations. What if I told you by clubbing the power of AI and creativity, there is a AI tool which can help you build professionally looking PowerPoint presentations with the power of AI? Would you believe me? Well, yes. Gamma AI is one such tool which has that power to build PowerPoint presentations which are professionally looking, and that can be done in minutes. The tasks which used to take like hours can be done in minutes using Gamma AI. Well, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can explore this particular AI tool to build PowerPoint presentations. What are the different features is something we'll be seeing as part of this video. I'll see you in a bit.
Let's jump on to the demonstration. Like we discussed, Gamma AI is an intelligent tool that helps you create stunning presentations or documents, and within a fraction of very small time compared to what you used to take to build a PowerPoint presentation. Let's see how we can access Gamma. Search for the Gamma app on Google, and this link should be the one which you should be accessing it from. Click on this and you can sign up for free. Click on sign up for free, and this should give you a prompt where you can use your email ID and password to link to it, or you can connect your Google account to this. So I want to connect my Google account to this particular application, the Gamma application. Let me say connect this with my Google. I'll say this is my Gmail or Google account. Continue. This should bring me to the Gamma interface. Well, you are on the launchpad. The user interface as such is so clean and very pleasing to eyes. Let us say I want to use this for personal use or education, and let us say as an educator is what I want to use it for. You can choose anything, it's just a normal option. And then educator, you just type other and continue, and not sure yet is what I'll say. Let us go. And that's okay. These are some basic prompts. Once you are here, this is where the magic is, right? It is giving you multiple options. One thing is paste in text, which is you can just paste the text you have and it will generate a PowerPoint presentation or a document for you. Or you can give a prompt using which AI will automatically generate the presentation for you, or you can import an existing file which is there or an existing presentation, and then AI is going to enhance it and build it for you. All these are pretty basic. Let us try to do the generate this because this is quite popular. From this very pleasing user interface, let me click on continue. This should bring us to this prompt. Here it is asking me, what do you want to do? Do you want to create a web page? Do you want to create a presentation or a document? Right now, I just want to do a presentation. One thing to understand is because we are using the free version, only 8 cards is what you can use. For anything, I think, yeah, they have enhanced it. Now you can use up to 10 cards. And if you buy a plus membership, you can do 15 cards, which means 15 slides is what you can look at it as. And further, it could be 20, 25 or anything if you have the pro version. Right now, the free version is sufficient for me. So let's try to explore and see what we can do. So these are the sample prompts which you can tell: collaborating with other creators, joint project creation, advanced topics for number theory, something like that, right? You can use anything like this and it will give you the example prompts which you can use and you can build. Let us say I am helping a student and then this student wants to build a presentation for the place he is from. Let us say, because I am from Mysore, let us say I want to build, give me a presentation, me a PPT on places to visit in Mysore, right? This is going to be a tourism driven PowerPoint presentation where the student is kind of fetching the places to visit in Mysore, which he can use to demonstrate within his school or college. All I have to do is just give this tokens or a statement telling that you want this thing, and then just click on generate the outline. All this does is it gives you the skeleton of what all places it might be adding. So if you see places to visit in Mysore, all the 9 cards, this is what you will have: Mysore Palace, Chamundi Hills, Brindavan Gardens, Mysore Zoo, Philomena's Church, Railway Museum, Somnathpur temples. And then if you don't like something, you can remove them. You can use this delete and you can remove them. If you want to add a card, you can add a card. If you want to move this around, you can use this, and you can take this. For example, if you want this before this thing, you can move these. This way you can add, if there are any custom images you want to add, you can do that. If you want AI to generate images, it will do that. So any, if there are any stock photos you want to use from here, you can use that. These are pretty basic, and you can use all this. So the models it is using is this. Other models you will need plus or pro account for that. Right now this is good for me. Let us see what does it generate. Right now all I have given is one statement, and it has given me the outline. Let's go and generate. Let me click on generate. Now you will see how AI starts generating this particular document or PowerPoint presentation, which has all these details. See, it started with places to, we are doing nothing here. If you see, it's telling AI is generating is what you will see: Chamundi Hills, right? And the attractions, what you can do in Chamundi Hills is something. AI is literally writing each and every piece of information which is needed for adding here, which is essential to add here. It is also adding the fountains, which are a look-alike of how Brindavan Gardens would have, right? The palace images also is something. Like literally we are doing nothing here. We just gave a statement and all these details are getting added. Isn't it fantastic? Look at this image. I mean, it's really hard to find an image like that and make sure it comes into the PowerPoint presentation as our expectation. The church, there is some tweaking. If you don't like the church image, you can insert your own image. You can use this palette here on the right side and add custom images, the image you want, you can add there. So the Mysore silk factory, the silk production, stuff like that. All this AI is doing it for us. The railway museum exhibit, all this, this is for students, for people who are in software, who teachers, project managers. This is a beautiful tool. I would say PowerPoint presentations from Microsoft are literally dead if tools like this become very popular, right? So it's adding some temples also. So you can correct this if you feel any information is not accurate. You can of course come here, edit it and correct it and add any custom images. If you have better images which you have taken, you can use them. And see, it literally completed the entire PowerPoint presentation just in minutes. Just in minutes this entire presentation is over. If you click on present, you would see a beautiful presentation getting generated, and you can just run over it. See, none of this is what I wrote. All I gave is just a prompt, and then Gamma did it for me. This is the beauty of using Gamma. This is just one sample example I have shown on how you can enter a specific topic. If you want to customize the outline, you can customize and generate these slides. And editing these slides also is pretty easy. It's not a challenge as such, right? And there is a quick tour. If you can click on this quick tour and it will show you what exactly you can do, right? Let me go back to this thing and see if you want to edit anything, if you want to add a certain image, if there are any different layouts you want to insert, if there are any new blocks you want to add, you can do that. All this modification is pretty easy, and you can add that. And for example, if you want to share it with someone also, you can do it. You can click on share and you can share this with someone and they can edit it also at the same time. Like if you have a team of members, you can add them here and then they can use it, and they can edit it. If you want to export it and share it as a PowerPoint presentation, you can do that also. All you have to do is go to, I think, the same thing, share, and then you can click on I believe export, and this will give you a PDF, PowerPoint, in a PNG image. Anything, any format you want, you can use, and you can generate that to collaborate, in the sense to add other members to this presentation. You can add here and share just a link. If you want to share the link, you can use this. And you can also embed it in your website or anything. If you want to do that, all you have to do is just copy this iframe and take it to your website and paste it. As simple as that. Any other modifications, if you want to add charts, you want to add custom images, you can do that. You can upload your image here and drag and drop that image here, and that should help you do that. And at the same time, on the same this thing, you can also change colors, themes, accents. Most of the stuff, you can, if you want to improve the writing, you can just go to the specific slide and you can improve that. All that is possible. Well, this was a quick demonstration. I would say, try using this, share your experience, how you liked Gamma, right? Gamma makes creating presentation super easy, just like how you saw here. And above all, it saves a lot of time. Perfect for anyone, professional students, anyone who needs to build these professional slides very quickly. It's easy for them. I mean, the best thing is have a clear topic in mind, and review all these slides and the AI suggestions. And I would definitely encourage you to try this rather than spending hours on PowerPoint presentation. Give it a try, and let me know in comments how you like this. And if you like more such content, hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. And if there is any other topic you want me to cover, please let me know. I'll be happy to cover those topics. See you soon in the next video. Thanks. Bye.